Hey guys, welcome back to another Mom's Medicine video. Today I'm making an eggplant juice that has tremendous health benefits. To make this drink, you will need 1 eggplant, half a can of carnation milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and 4 tablespoons of sugar. Eggplant has many health benefits and is rich in nutrients like vitamins A and C. It also has tons of fiber and can even lower cholesterol and inflammation. To make this drink, all you have to do is cut up your eggplant and blend it. Then strain and add some milk, vanilla, and sugar to your tasting. If you want to experience the full health benefits of this drink, I suggest you drink it every day for at least 1 week. That is all, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.